Hello, everybody. Ika here. Let's take a look at how my hydroponic garden is doing. Right now is the middle of November, but it's still very hot. And the way I set up my greenhouse too, it's open on the sides, so we get sun mostly in the morning. And all these plants are mostly in the sun. Um, we have some cucumbers here, and it's flowering right now. We have some fruit. Some I don't know if cucumbers are fruits. But anyway, some more cucumbers. We have cilantro, have tomato. I'm growing this in sand right here. Um, right now, the EC that I'm running this is 1.4, 1.5. I think for the cucumbers I could go up, but because I have parsley and other stuff here, I'm being more cautious and just seeing how the plants react. So far, I think they're reacting well. So I will see if I will go up with the nutrient concentration in the future. I have more cucumbers over here. Go in this bucket. I hand water this once. This, some lettuce. The lettuce is not doing so well. I have some insects eating it. Some bugs. The parsley. Parsley looks great. Parsley tricolored over here. It looks great too. And more cilantro. The cilantro is huge. It's about like 60 centimeters tall, and it started to flower. But we still are picking it and eating it sometimes. We have more cilantro here, but we picked more of the plants. Another tricolor. This one is bigger. It's huge right here, and some more parsley. And I also have some parsley that just germinated. I have in this container. I have 3 centimeters of sand, and below it I have charcoal. I'm growing this in charcoal. Um, if you want to go in charcoal, I would advise you check the pH and correct the nutrient solution. Adjust the pH according to your measurements of the measurement of the drainage solution. Over here we have some lettuce in Krakty. I'm using this milk containers to grow in it. More lettuce, a tomato in Krakty too. But it's not doing very well here in the heat in the middle of the day. And we have some uh, strawberries. I'm growing in Krakty that I I moved them to water for a week. They've been here for a week. They were almost dead when I got them, but right now they're starting to pick up again, and some even have some flowers growing here. When the strawberry plants they give this leaf that's just a single leaf. Usually they have like three leaves, like this one. But when they give a single leaf, it's sign it's going to flower after this leaf. Uh, and they are growing in Krakty over here, and they're starting to develop some roots too. But they're still very young. Let's see how the growth goes. And we have another cucumber in Krakty growing over here. Let's check the roots. They're okay. And also, it's very interesting to check the difference between the Krakty and the plant over here that I'm growing in sand. This one seems to resist the heat in the middle of the day very well. Also, this is receives full sun. The sun is rising right now, and the sun shines on it most of the morning, and it reacts pretty well. It doesn't wilt or anything. So basically, this is it. This is what I'm growing in November in Cape Verde, and I'm doing some experiments. And so far, it's okay. I would say it's doing okay. So see you guys. Bye.